Sibanye Gold owns and operates Driefontein, Kloof and Beatrix, which are all on the western extent of the Wits gold basin.
And in addition, it has acquired platinum assets in recent times. That's Aquarius, the Union section from Anglo American Platinum, and it's in the process of really transforming itself to being a precious metal play under the leadership
rather than just a single commodity play.
Neil Froneman.
Market cap 51.2 billion rand, PE of 72.9 and a dividend yield here of 1.8%. So we've got a gold company that is paying a dividend.
And that dividend will go up strongly when they report next time. Strongly.
And so the share price here is pretty much probably just under its top share price there, would you say?
Yeah, but when you look at what this share price has done compared to all other gold miners since it started, the share price has actually been phenomenal.
No, this is a story. If you love gold in any form, this is the story that you should have been backing.
So it came out of the split with a share price around 6 or 7 rand. It is currently at like 46, 47.
Yeah, it's done extremely well.
So it's acquired these assets from these other players that everyone's been keen to get rid of, and
then managed to turn those into money.
And also Froneman and his management team, they took over the KDC mines and they said, you know what, we're not going to run them like they used to, where you assume they've got a 30-year life of mine. We're going to make it a 10-year life of mine. We're going to mine for profits and for cash flow now. And he's also very good at negotiating with the labour unions. I've got to hand it to him.
So can you go in and buy Sibanye at current levels, which,
no,
as we said,
why do you say the dividend is going to go up a lot?
Well, they're just generating massive more profits in the last 6 months and 3 months.
And they're going to give some cash back to shareholders.
They have been given, the rand price of gold has gone up massively in the last while, despite a bit of rand strength, because the gold price itself has gone up. Now, Driefontein and Kloof in the 80s and 70s were the most profitable gold mines in the world, by far, by a country mile. But of course, the ore bodies also depleted there. But Sibanye and Neil have managed to.
There's still money to be made,
and
I'm sure everybody regrets getting rid of these assets.
Quite frankly, they've managed them better than the previous owners, significantly better.
Yeah. So, did you own Sibanye anywhere along the journey? Anywhere along the journey?
Unfortunately,
never. You just stay away from the gold stocks.
No, I just didn't own this one.
We owned them for a while in the hot stocks portfolio.
And you just sold them because you panicked. You made a little bit of money and then you panicked.
No, this is like Christmas. You get money from a gold share. You should bank it immediately. Make every rand a prisoner.
Yeah. Now, aren't you sorry that you sold it at current level? I don't even want to ask you what you sold it at.
I guess so. As far as the platinum assets are concerned, I mean,
the problem with those
and uranium. They've also got uranium in the stable.
Yeah.
They got the platinum assets though from Anglo American Platinum, which was desperate just to do something. And so they've got a deal where basically they get paid to take these assets.
Correct. And I think they're buying it at exactly the right time. The time to buy something is at the bottom of the cycle when no one else wants it. That's one of the reasons why I don't want to buy gold now, is it's already doubled. The gold shares have already doubled. But the platinum assets, now whether they make money next year or in 10 years' time, I don't know. But they are certainly paying rock bottom prices for it. And these are also very marginal.
But don't you now, Wayne, I mean, you've got to look at the track record of the company.
Yeah,
he's managed to turn what is spin gold out of nothing, effectively. So imagine what he's going to be able to do with these other assets that people also think are dead and buried.
Now, look, very much so, but I mean, he hasn't got an unmarked track record. I mean, nothing in mining is easy. I'm still worried about the share price.
Hot or not?
Not hot.
Hot or not?
I'll tip on the favour of hot. I mean, I think the earlier point about current cash flows and the potential of the timing, I know there's still a lot of drama in South African labour relations on the mines, AMCU, NUM, and all that sort of drama, but I got a feeling that the timing will have been proven to be relatively favourable. So I'm going to
You're going to go hot?
Hot.
Are you sure that doesn't break your heart to go hot on a gold stock?
Whatever, man.